Alright, do this as quick as you can. Answer, please follow along. Do it as quick as you can. Spell fort 3 times. Answer, spell, blah, blah, blah. Say, alright, restart. Say it 3 times. Say fort 3 times. Spell fort twice. Say it fort 3 more times. Spell it 2 more times. And say it 3 more times. Now, what do you eat soup with? Please tell me what you said in the comments down below. Okay. So, just tell me what you eat soup with. Alright. And be honest, what did you say at first? But anyways, it's time for sign-up series. Sign-ups. Series 7. Season 2. And there's a lot of 2014 trucks in here. Alright, I'm doing this now because I'm going to be very, very busy this weekend. Friday, tomorrow night, I'm going to go, like 4 o'clock, I'm going to go play paintball. We're going to camp out, then we're going to go play the next morning. Then we're going to go to a birthday party for our little cousin that afternoon. So, the Field of Trucks will be April 13th, which is Sunday. I think. Yeah, I think it's, or they'll be Sunday. They will be Field of Trucks. We're going to be doing Field of Trucks until, yeah, I was right, the 13th. We'll do Field of Trucks until Season 3. Then we'll do the bring back intros. But I'm just trying to get World Finals done because I'm excited for World Finals. But anyways, yeah, so here's the trucks. A lot of 2014 trucks. Debut of Derail, debut of Illuminator, debut of El Toro Loco Black, Scooby-Doo, Shark Week, Zombie, debut of the Son of a Digger, Edgeglow, Inferno, Avenger, Gravedigger, Jurassic Attack, Monster Mutt, Gravedigger Legend, Black Stallion, Bounty Hunter, Wrecking Crew, Iron Man, Wolverine, Max D 10th Anniversary Glow, Spider-Man, Instigator. Wait, I gotta do something real quick. Instigator, Western Renegade, Barbarian, Bad News Travels Fast, Superman, Higher Education Destroyer, Metal Militia, Backwards Bob, and Felon. The reason I did that is because I had 2 Instigators and I didn't make 2. Go ahead and start leaving your rage comments now. But, yes, I will indeed be Captain America. I want to win. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been a while since I've won my sign-up series. But, I'm probably not gonna win. But Gravedigger, so me, Gideon Bernard, Captain America, and Abel Bernard will be in Gravedigger 30th anniversary. Sign up, and if you have any sign-ups, if any of y'all have any sign-up series over the weekend, please sign me up. That would be very much appreciated because I won't be able to sign up. And thanks for watching, guys. Remember, what do you sleep with? What did you say first? Okay, if you don't get the trick, I will explain it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Sign up. Peace out.